Hi, I'm Skylar. I'm going to show you how to remove your search history from Firefox. In Firefox, go to your Preferences, also called Settings. Click on Privacy. Here are a bunch of settings for your history. You can remember history, never remember history, or use custom settings for it. If you use custom settings, you've got all of these options. I'm going to clear history when Firefox closes, and I can choose that sort of behavior as well. So if really what I'm looking for is form and search history, I can leave everything unchecked except for that. OK, done. Another thing you can do is use private browsing. If you go to File and New Private Window, this opens a session of Firefox which by default doesn't remember any of that stuff. So when you close it, it all gets deleted anyway. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.